Click and subscribe this channel. Also press the bell icon for latest update. Thanks. Welcome back friends, Tech for Review presents another review. Today we will review Honor Note 10. Honor Note 10 smartphone was launched in July 2018. The phone comes with a 6.95-inch touchscreen display with a resolution of 2220 pixels by 1080 pixels. The Honor Note 10 is powered by 2.3 GHz octa-core processor and it comes with 6 GB of RAM. The phone packs 64 GB of internal storage that can be expanded. As far as the cameras are concerned, the Honor Note 10 packs a 24-megapixel primary camera on the rear and a 16-megapixel front shooter for selfies. The Honor Note 10 runs Android 8.1 and is powered by a 5000 mAh. It measures 177.00 x 85.00 x 7.65, height x width x thickness. The Honor Note 10 is a dual SIM, GSM and GSM, smartphone that accepts nano SIM and micro SIM. Connectivity options include Wi-Fi, GPS, Bluetooth, NFC, 3G and 4G Guaranis. Sensors on the phone include proximity sensor, accelerometer, and ambient light sensor. Number 1. Display. In keeping with the affordability of Honor phones, the Note 10 doesn't have a 1440p display as many speculated. Instead it stick with the full HD and resolution that we've seen before, 2220x1080. To save you the calculations, that's an 18.5:9 aspect ratio and a pixel density of 355 ppi. Number 2. Camera. The camera setup at least on the rear seems to be identical to the Honor 10s, which means the secondary 24MP sensor would be monochrome. Around the front is a 13MP selfie camera. They all benefit from similar AI smarts you'll find on the Honor 10, and it can take 6-second handheld night shots which are stabilized and sharpened by the ACE system. Number 3. Design. This is an enormous phone, measuring 85mm wide and 177mm long, and weighing 230 grams. For comparison, the Galaxy Note 8 is 162mm long and 75mm wide, and 195 grams in weight. While it borders on being a small tablet rather than a large phone, the screen's thin aspect ratio may mean it's easy to handle. We'll know more when we get our hands on one. It comes in either black or Honor's stunning phantom blue color, which we love on the Honor 10. Number 4. Specifications. The phone will have a positively giant 5,000 mAh battery, and sure enough, that's what's inside the Honor Note 10. Real-world standby and use times are unknown at the moment, with Honor saying 30 hours talk time is possible. This is all coupled to the Kirin 970 processor, also seen in the Honor 10 and the Huawei P20 Pro, with either 6 GB or 8 GB of RAM. A choice of 64 GB or 128 GB of internal storage space will be available. A dual lens camera with 24 megapixels and 16 megapixels is on the back, and both have an f/1.8 aperture, with a 13 megapixel, f/2.0 aperture camera on the front, while Huawei's Kirin 970 chip will provide the power. Scene recognition and other artificial intelligence-enhanced features seen on other Kirin 970 phones are also inside the Honor Note 10.